What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, make we just jump right in it. We have CIDE Diamond, you know what I mean, pan a live with RT Boss expose Rosalie and her mother. I done share something with Uno earlier on with the people in the community. I bring down Rosalie and her mother and I expose them. So I say we also have real dog woman Yanique. You see me, cause people come out and say why the woman lose her work and the woman get locked up and fraud with crash car and a bag of things with people. So I'm gonna share with Uno the woman tell the real thing and make the people them know say nothing no go. So she have her job same way where she have for over how much years. You understand? Yo, people wicked still, you know. And people me did say in the video before this hour, I say, yo, I wonder if I just because of the fame and the money and everything why the people them don't like Rosalie where she come from. But me know say she have some dirty ways still. But me feel like say the money have a, you know what I mean, thing to do with it, cause in a ghetto people mostly don't like to see people, you know what I mean, reach to them goals and them way there. So them try drag them down, you know, crab in a barrel. So we have these things with people, we have a bunch of things for share. You know what I mean, one not here in the intro and I go see in the video and maybe we'll add more things as we go on, so make we kick it off.
He pushed that aside. He said, my focus is the children. That is my focus. So you could see the change in him. No matter what he was before, that most of us don't know, you could see that he's trying to impress CIDE. That's the right way. Instead of her emulating that type of behavior, oh no, she digging her heels, she want to go more dirty, she want more money, and we can't see the money because the Don in Seaview and the foot soldiers get money. The gambling get the money. She has nothing to show, nothing literally to show except a hairdo. Right now, not even her fingernails are done, not even her hair done properly. She has nothing literally to show, and no matter how you look at it that somebody wants to be mean to themselves, not even a bucket of paint. Forget about the rat poop that she's not cleaning, because as a woman, she should make sure her place clean, even if it's nasty too, right? Because he's a man. Even if he is not keeping up the house the way it should be, and him cook the food, she should make sure that her environment, as a female, she should make sure that her environment is clean. And if Jake not doing good, and she talked to him about it, she had enough money that she could get a helper. If she don't want to do it herself. If she feel that she don't have the time to do it herself, she should get help for her to do it, or speak to him about it, and if she don't want to do it, she do it. Or she get a helper to do it. Right? Instead of sitting down and just living in it as a female, I'm talking about as a female. Right? So there's no excuse for the rat poop in the drawer. There's no excuse. None of them should have it there. None of them. Right? But as a female, if he's not pulling the weight and not cleaning up the place properly, he's just doing it where you can see it. Right? Just where you can see. Then it's her duty to make sure that the drawers are clean, the areas are clean, places where he's not looking at and not doing. She should make sure either he does it, get on him and say, Jake, you didn't do here, darling. Jake, you didn't do there. Right? And if him don't want to do it because they're having breakdown in the relationship, get a helper for a week, maybe for once a week. Right? Once a week, come and clean down the whole place. Not only that, she always have the door locked, so of course the place going to smell musty and the rat do not help. She could have put a grill on the front door and the back door. I know it's not her house, it's her mother's house, but she could put, people will even rent from stranger, fix the place to their comfort level. People who don't even know their landlord from nowhere, no blood, no string attached. They fix the place. If the carpet not look good and the landlord take too long, they put new carpet because they know they're living on there and they're planning to stay a long time. She live in her mother's house. She could have put a grill on the front door, a grill on the back door, and leave the front door open so air can pass through. Because I wouldn't tell her to leave her door open in Jamaica right now and don't have grill. Because she's making money, people can rush in on her, although she have her protection from the Don and the foot soldiers, anything can play. So I wouldn't say to leave herself open to just having her home open to the public. But she could have put grill on the front door, grill on the back door. And then she could open her home door, the living room door and the back door, put on the grill so air can pass through. Grill the windows, open them. It don't cost an arm and a leg. Right? She making enough money that she could do those little things. Somebody said she need to empty the whole house, the lady's right. The whole place need to empty and paint and wash. The floors need to be washed properly, paint over and start over. But what I would love out of all of this, my main focus is the children. That's the number one thing. It is my prayer and my wish Since we have no intention to change right now, I don't see no change in her. I don't see no change coming. Since Jake look like the only hope, unless they have another family member who is going to court on the 30th to try and get those children, I don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they have somebody lined up, I don't know. Until Jake can be qualified. I would hope that he stay focused, stay away from her. I don't know if he's going to get the kids on the 30th because this show out on Sunday, it affect both of them. It just didn't look good at all. It's not going to look good. I'm sure it did not look good to CIDE. And none of them. She's worse. She's the worst character in all of this. But it didn't look good for him either. But apart from that, what I would love to see is that people who behave like her change their ways. Look at her sitting nasty. Because you have people who behave like this every day. We just don't see them. It would be nice if they would use her as an example and stop this dirty, nasty behavior. I was married for 23 years and divorced. And them words what she tells you, even now do I go through a divorce, those words never come out of my mouth to my ex-husband. And I was upset when my relationship broke up. I wanted it to work forever. Yeah, I didn't get married to divorce. But when I go home to my mother in the Bronx, I said, that's it. Because I did not marry to be by myself at night. No. So once you start to show late, I gone. Right? So I left these words when me hear she using. There was no time ever. And even now, I divorced December 14, 2017. And even now, those words never crossed my mind. So I would love for people, whether in Jamaica or not, and you always talk like this, I want you to realize it not sound good. And even if you're breaking up, you don't have to break up like this. When I was breaking up, I didn't have to go to no court. No. Because I was there. I was there. Everybody is just trying to put her down. The same thing them do to Jesus when I go back and look. The same thing them do to Jesus when I go back and look. If them did crucify Jesus, we come died on the cross for our sins. Jesus died trying to save us. But what we did, we turned on Jesus. And Jesus still have mercy upon us. God forgives 70 times 7. How can God forgive us but we cannot forgive each other? How all of us are some way we not believe in a God till when sickness take away. I hear when, oh God, forgive me. How do you want God to forgive you when you don't learn how to forgive? When you don't learn how to forgive the people around you, how do you want God to have mercy on you? Join me in saving her from herself. Bullyism no work. Only in a comment section, I tell her, say, come out for the media, man. Go this, go that, go red. She's not going to respond to that. Even when intentionally we not tell her nothing bad, she won't respond to that. She used to people a bully her and a come at her, so she's going to be defensive. She won't respond to that. She's not going to respond to that. The only thing she can respond to now is love. I sent her a voice note yesterday, and all she did yesterday was do what I say. She followed every protocol in that voice note yesterday. She followed every protocol in that voice note yesterday. So why do you think she can't change? Why do you think she don't listen? The only thing she will respond to now is love. She's not used to that. That's why Akeem could have did sweep her off her foot. Akeem could have did put her in the place she is today because he was the only person that showed her love. So she responded to that, not knowing that it is also self-destruction, because he never meant what he was doing. He never meant it. It was all a prank. But she fall into it because...
Alright, my people. So the female where did attack, see when the video just started, there's no way nobody at all can convince me say Rosealee nah no money and Rosealee spend her whole life money. Where Rosealee make on TikTok. Rosealee have her money. Rosealee just stingy with the money and don't prioritize what she spend her money on. And like with cute boss, I say my people, I love how cute boss reason it, you know. Cause a woman with intelligence, you know, and street smarts, you know, been through a lot, so she know what she attacks. You understand? Rosealee, you know, Rosealee build up a defense system, and I done they tell you that already. You saw me I say, so when you tell her say yo Ray, she done build up that system there, you know what I mean, build up thick skin she make that not hurt her, because she been getting certain type of disrespect from she a youth come up, you know what I mean, so she stuck in her ways. You understand what I say? So upon a level, my people, me also think that the people them in the community, just through them know Rosalie from she did that dirty foot girl and have nothing, and now she start make it. That are one of the things when enough of them are used to bring down this woman. That's why I don't like when people gang up on people. You're mad? Because you are going to join in or something to bring down a person what you don't know nothing about, just because the public are run with it and people are run with it. You have people who join in and bring down the person. We don't like that. So enough of them people here, them malicious toward Rosalie. Rosalie not do them nothing. You know what I mean? One person can't so bad. We can watch some more.
Love was the first time, it was the first time she was experiencing true love. That's why him is the only person right now she trusts. She only trusts Akeem now. Why? Because he was the only person that showed her love. Right now, him is the only person can tell her that. Change. Do this, do that, and she will follow. She will only respond to love. She get bullied, she get everything, she can only respond to love now. So if you want to keep bullying her and throwing her down, you want to pushing her further, you ever hear all the time people used to say, push a fool a little further? She only, right now, she trusts nobody but Akeem. Because he was the only one showing her pretend love. She's too naive to see that it was, even though it was a prank, in her mind, she never experienced love before. So she fell deep into that. She fell deep into that infatuation. She fell deep into that infatuation. Because she's naive. If she wasn't naive, she wouldn't fall for that infatuation. Akeem is the only person right now with that love and energy that he pushed to use her to make money. He should use that same energy and push to save her from herself. But now he might throw her under the bus. He's avoiding her because he's scared of the internet. He's scared of the internet because everybody's against her. So he don't want to stand with her anymore because his validation is for the internet. He wants the internet to validate him. Everybody was praising him up. Oh, he's such a good soul. How he's, I tell you this a long time. Say good and bad can turn out of the situation if you remember. Anybody that remembers when the series was going on, I wasn't the only one following the series. I never followed that series. I never asked anybody to sub me in that series. I spoke this a long time ago. That this is going to play out and she's going to be hurt in the end. I spoke this a long time from the series when everybody had cheered, and I said one rose, one Akeem. Remember, 3/4 of the app was saying one rose, one Akeem. Because it was self-destruct and they saw that. They embraced it. They knew it was self-destruct. They knew it was self-destruction, but they embraced it. They embraced that self-destruction. I was the only one to say that bad can come out of that situation. And the word come to pass. Let me tell you something. It's not like him don't want to stand up for her, because him still want to use her to make money. Because anywhere Rosalie move from, the cloud move. And it's high time when I identify that. It's high time when I identify, say, you see, I tell her last night, you know, when you stop talking, is when everybody cloud done. You see, if you don't stop talking, you keep fueling them up to make money. Any day you stop talk, I tell her last night, me say, you see, anytime you stop talk, everything done. You have the power right now, but you're losing it. Hear them. Me I blame everyone except Rose. Selective hearing. Selective hearing. With them don't want me to change her. Them are going to hate me because they don't want her to change. Remember, I know, mind you, let me say this to you. They keep saying she needs to take accountability. She needs to change. But do you all really want her to change? My question to all of Rosalie haters, do you really want her to change? That's my question. Do you all really want her to change, or not just want she to depress and kill herself? What do you really want? Because if I ask most of you this question, you're not going to really answer it. You're not going to answer the question because really don't want her to change. They really don't care. The only motive is to call her name to get gifts. The only motive is to call her name to get gifts. Notice right in the middle of calling her name, them stop. They want to some chat. They want to some chat. Tap up the screen. So much people there and nobody not gift. Oh, so much people in here and nobody not gift. And we there so long at top and nobody not gift. Wanna go up on them life and see if I line your tell. You know what I know now? Any day she stop talk, she cramp and paralyze everybody. She have the power, but she don't know if to use it. She has the power, but she just don't know. She needs somebody. She needs counseling. She needs somebody to motivate her. She needs somebody to pilot her so she can see the work of God in her life. Because God not judge her by what Una judge her by now. And the art God show me say my judge her by now. Not what Una see now. Me already identify her, acknowledge say she disgusting. But me I say something different than what Una say. God is not judging her by those actions. God is judging her by the art that she carries. Rosealee is taking care of her family. Rosealee take care of her father every month. Rosealee help people behind the scenes what she don't talk about. Rosealee has been helping a lot of people without a motive. Most of these people really don't want her to change. Hear them every day. They're playing victim, but them not identified. She needs to take accountability. But if she take accountability tomorrow, what are you all going to say? She just use and dispose you. Rosealee is a fool. You know what you should do? You should take your money. I'm going to get one of the housing trust house them. I'm going to take your money. I'm going to get rent someone to put you and pick them for you. Rosealee, I'm going to tell you something. Stop let man be everything. Stop let man be everything and focus on your kids them, virgin. Focus on your kids them. Focus on your kids them because every day my AJs come out and talk about all they do is Shanta and Barbara. I'm going to tell you something. I'm not Shanta and Barbara where you do. So you have to be for yourself, brother. Stop telling people like that because the people them so find you out. The people them so find you out.
These are the things that you walk and do and go like you not do nothing, but me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. It's okay. These are the things that you walk and do and me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. It's okay. These are the things that them walk and do, me not say nothing. Nothing at all, me not say nothing at all, nothing. Everybody have them 10 o'clock. Everybody have them 10 o'clock. Everybody have them 10 o'clock, me I go and meet minds. So no worry, no someone no worry yourself. It's okay. So everybody have them 10 o'clock, so someone don't worry yourself. It's okay.
Diamond, why you put up so much blood clot kind of still sell your bitch? You have to explain to bumbo clot me why you put up so much kind of me still a sell you because me no cokehead. I'm understand so me still going at your sell, go suck out your mama. And you can't come say me did a boyfriend bitch. Me sorry for you, Shanta and Barbara me do it for. Come jump through my body hole because me no buy blood clot friend. Me do it for the blood clot kids, dirty girl, you can't come by me. Sell fuck Rosealee will sell fuck for food, you can't come by blood clot me. Every man downtown pa.
And then she'll run. I know me can't see that.
She go hide.
She better.
I'm gonna go hide.
She better. Hey. You see how your baby father come tell me about me have to leave here. Mad. Next one. Yes.
Pretty me.
Me go make me.
Are you alone for the live comments you don't believe and a 0 followers you have a Rosealee send your bitch? You don't need to believe it's clear. Every day this big back bitch put up 300,000-400,000 Jamaican when you done conquer.
Hey people, wanna know say a Rosealee money are mad enough for them people, yeah? A Rosealee money are cause enough for them people, yeah, to have things against her, you know. I know her ways and her attitude, you know. Her money, she never used to have it before. I know she have it, you know. It's like it's a bring down thing. Because this is not the first time, and these people are not the first set of persons where come out and come try to bring down this girl, yeah. Me know say she have some dirty ways, yes. But as me say, my people, she build up that over the years. You understand me I say? Alright. Don't me tell you no say the thing will go on between Hakeem and Rosealee now go end well, because Rosealee we fall for this youth here, because me see it happen already, my people, because the love type of settings and the take care and the good treatment, she not really used to that 100%. You understand? So she a go fall for it, although it's a prank, she fall for it in her subconsciousness. And once you fall for something in your subconsciousness, just when the reality hit you, alright, let's say you find out the bloods and me caught up in this thing here. You know what I mean? So people, Rosealee live there, so which part she live, and it look like say yo, the whole of the people, yo, you know what? She don't want to rent no place, she don't want to buy no place, she want to stay in that little place there which part she there, but she feel know say she outgrow right there, so she outgrow right there, so she need to pack up and left, even get a one room like how Jakes get a one room, and nothing for you pay 100 grand a month or up in that region there a month for your little place and go and chill there until you make your house money, but left right there. So that's all me can tell Rosealee, my people, because it only I go get worse. You see me I say? Big woman thing.
Blood clot. I have a tile for shit in her. And the people them say if you talk about the kitchen, I don't know Rosealee them not have no kitchen. Like a kind them elevate themselves. Who did I sleep on ground? Start sleep on blood clot bed. Who did a blood clot? Elevation Rosealee did from she on the app. Make the door paint. I want to them people here, man. Me say, if Rosealee have it, why she have 3 blood clot furniture? Blood clot dunce people like Rosealee. Which rich people are gonna nice? If I live and I have it more than the people in the ghetto, my house have to look the best in the ghetto. All stove, pure rubbish like which rich girl ever have them blood clot yard front for rubbish? In front of the yard, it pop blood clot down. You have to lift it up to bring it blood clot in. First, have a blood clot gate. Make we talk about the toilet because me here say that's why Rosealee not find nothing wrong with Rosealee. See you people them say scandal bag because the toilet them now all the people them blood clot. One ear no Rosealee is more than a blood clot ear. No toilet no in there. No toilet no in there.
Them. Ready? I ain't glad. They're good. Like here, they are up here, so. It is in there, so you see in there, so. In there, so. This table land.
How you going?
I was over there this morning when I have the screen recording of all what the family said. So I back up where Sky said because I was there this morning listening everything.
Give me something where you witness.
The in-laws, same thing about what Sky said. Rose did have the man. Jake's mother did have the man first. Then Rose take him. Rose never liked Jake's. It was Jake's uncle she did want. It was yes, it was Rose's uncle. She was a rundown, and the in-law said, "I never Jake's." And the uncle she did want. She did mad over the uncle. And the uncle diss her up in the most wickedest way and class her. And so comes round go for Jakes.
But where the rat shit in at this way right now?
I have a whole lot of yeah.
So what are they now? What are they now? So, but you know God good, you know. Then say me not for put God in this, but here why me I go say no. So you mean to say no? If Akeem never come, none of wouldn't know say a long time who a take who and who a take who a take who from take who there. So if
And
Akeem
about
never
the
come,
toilet.
you never know them a take there.
About the toilet where she has say yes, the in-law say one of the times she over there do her ear and she have to run from over there and go fear and go use the toilet. Cause over 2 years now them toilet they're not working.
So you over tell me say Rosalie sit down and this me and a class me and Rosalie do have a good toilet to shit in?
Everything. Our whole heap sitting the in-law talk. Whole heap and them a come back 5 o'clock. See like what Sky say 5 o'clock everybody a come back over.
You know me want Rosalie show me. Anytime Rosalie come live, tell her to show you the toilet. And show you the kitchen. Anybody, more remember, you know, anytime Rosalie come live on the text, kitchen, toilet, then they go about everybody over here come in and sugar black on the so you know, the style. Everybody want to the kitchen, yes, the moderator black people who say kitchen and toilet, then you can tap.
The girl, the in-law did I say why she really come out because Rose did that this. The mom of the sea view, which was most of the grandmother or whoever she did this. And I say that the woman they feed the whole of sea view. Cause when barrel come, I eat barrel come. And every barrel
Hey, my people, me not like still you know that are some dirty and loose life, you know. But me telling you something. People can get caught up them way there, you know, my people, because me knock mother and daughter already, you know. But I don't think that none of them knew say me knock the next one. You see me I say? Even till this day. You see me I say? So me see how that can go. You know what I mean? The man knock all the mother or maybe knock the daughter and then him go look the mother without the mother know say or the daughter know say him knock the mother or knock the daughter and get in with that person there, with either the mother or the daughter, and start a relationship with that person there while him knock the next one already. You see me I say? So things can get caught up that way there, but that based upon the character and the love where the person have for the man at the end of the day, because some woman I go break it off once them find out, but some I go stay. You understand me I say? So me see how that thing they can get caught up away. But it look like the whole house Jakes knock me people. Tell me what you think, me could watch some more.
She touch a number where I
yes, so and that's why that the lady come out because she said Jakes are not the type of person who come out, come talk and read.
No, you're not gonna do that. Yeah.
Yes, because she said she feel it when the woman did her break, but once she call a woman the name, she have to come out because that the woman they feed everybody. She alright. She said Jakes did live over Jakes' yard, Rose did live. And I tell Rose to clean up the yard the day. I tell Rose to clean up the yard and Rose back up and left. And when Rose back up and left, you know, Sky now remember everything. Right?
No, she had the judge, you know, so she have a right now when she get.
And when I tell her in that comment and she does it, then tell Rose to clean. Cause them a pass closing a bath
Me believe
in front of the house and it's
I believe
pink
that.
and them tell her to clean up and then she pack up and left. Jakes never did want to leave the girl like that cause she must did have one pitney film already. So Jakes go over Rose mama yard go lick off the lock. And so comes Rose reaching at Jakes in the house over there with them. Cause I know put out Jakes. And the house where she a talk about over there, so at the same woman where she a cuss from foreign, that the woman they make the house don't even sell for them in to the day. That's why the woman did highly blessed.
Which woman?
So
Which woman that?
The one at foreign where Rose a cuss, the grandmother, the great grandmother.
Oh, the same one when she come touch
right.
it. Yeah.
Yes. And she know them they don't sell the house. And because them never have nowhere to go, and them stay in the woman say, alright, make it stay. And so comes the house never get for sell.
Big up Sky Diamond for dig up them information. Yeah,
the family member come this man and talk 3-4 hours.
So I think about you when time Jakes go on the interview go say man Rose I got
yes, that the part them oh God, me forgot that the part. I forgot that got time for my.
Hey, you know for tap it, you know.
No,
Thank you
he
for
said
my
Wanna stop it?
yes.
Oh,
You want me not remember say
he
Laverne
did
and
on
Marcia.
Jeffrey interview for real. Jake
Remember say
said,
Laverne and Marcia are good friend from childhood days. So you know say typically Laverne breed him a go make meat on the grandmother when Marcia be a so it go. So Jakes is Godson.
Hold on. Jakes is who? You confused me. Say it again.
Who are Laverne and Marcia.
Jake's a Rosalie
Rose, mother, godson,
Godson.
Marcy.
So two of them are God sister.
And goddaughter. Yeah, cause Rose I goddaughter to you know for
But
the
that
next one.
Jake said pan Jeffrey interview the other day saying man are God
The in-law
sister.
talking, the in-law talking today too. The in-law
Okay,
talking.
so hold on. So Jakes and Rosalie are some God relative, you said.
Right.
Yes.
So that mean, so oh, the mama fuck him.
But I don't know about that.
The in-law highly blessed say, you know, I sell mama sells on $1,000.
Oh yeah, oh forgot, woman of the business.
Yeah.
So, yes, forgot.
Yeah,
So woman
and
of the
Jake just
business.
wrote my
Okay, I
bag,
got
so
you,
yeah,
I got
my
yes, I forgot. No, I forgot.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you do business, you don't care, you just open shop. Okay,
Right.
okay, I got yeah, so no blaming can go on. Okay, yeah. But woman of the business, we can't blame the woman. Woman of runs business.
Mama talk everything, mama bust it up. And then the brother came in and typed it at the comment and said, everything what mama said because mama family, everything. But him is not the type. Him coming like Jake. Him not the the mix up. Him are the one where did on the live last night and he mute out the noise. That was the brother. But
Hey,
he
you
come
must all of them suck me
confirm.
up.
He come and
Badness.
confirm everything and say, yo, I don't like the girl at them because she a family.
Badness, hold on there. You see, all the way me here when you tell me, so when me look into it, a real media, come out of the media and look at it, it traumatizing a blood clot, and that's why I see why she go through certain things, you know, because people know them, no, for people really sit down and know your life story and really hear them as something that hurt, you know, so you can imagine the pain when I feel inside, if nobody don't know them as something, because this is just like your phone a ring, this a mix up something.
And when you hear Sky say about the clinic card, out her phone she read something them where Rosa text her and out her phone the girl.
But we never know so Rosalie mix up and them that look foolishness.
Yeah, I friend, I did her friend. When I saw she start cuss the girl and Sky said, what, how come I reach this up? And mama start bust it up cause she called every name where she called like should I say, Kiki, okay, you send this and you send that. Akim gave that the link. And then he called 2 more and said, oh, I blame them, gave that the link. She bust it up this morning. She talk everything.
My God.
To talk out, you can read, your sister text she read out where she say, oh, UK $60 out of this, $20 out of that. She talk everything out of the phone. A text message she read out and call every name.
Well, for me not go bash them look hustling, whether they might chop this and that. It is against the law, but me understand for them things, so them and the police work it out. But my thing is, Rosalie can do 1 week in a prison cause I mean, I understand how she go do it because I don't know what she do. She not touch them sitting there because she not can manage it. She just leave it. Leave them something alone, Rosalie. Them something enough for you. Because 1 week in a prison I go look good for you. Because days before me not understand how to picture you in a prison. You know look good. Me not see it. The government that will give to you.
Yeah, Anna, if you remember anything, I come back and tell you. About me, I go over SWAT team.
Alright, go on back on your quote. Big up. Thank you very much, Diamond Code, for the information. So people, what I have to say about the thing now? Yes, for me people, them and for me friend, them and the people, them who the back brother, who not care. Send in the request. What do you think? Who believe or who don't believe? Who believe a lie? Who believe a true? Who believe? We roast people there. And what's so much rat going with in here? You know, I'm afraid of rat.
I believe that, but my friend make just can't believe it.
By the name of Laverne. She had an altercation with one of her customer. And that's how she got the black and blue eye. He have nothing to do with
hold on, listen to me, Judge, listen me, Judge. Remember now, I know you come from so far. I know you're not flying from so far, become dream champion and talk such an atrocious thing. Come on, Judge.
I'm telling you what's going on, Your Honor. I'm telling you. Jake's had nothing to do with what happened to Laverne High. So, You need to get the right file about the eye. What really happened?
Hey, I got that.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because the whole community look like them a call and a talk about I bring down Rosealee and her mother. You see me I say? Boy, me I tell you, that means say all of the things them the people them did I say are truth from the earlier time when them I say Rosealee and her mother share the same man, which is GX. Now the people them have a platform, them can contact the truth. You see me I say? Boy, me I tell me what you think, my people, because you know, me not lie still, some bad mind in all of them something here. You see it. But people, let me tell you something. You see, me and a nasty girl can't go far. Nasty in which way she no like clean up on them something there. No, me no want no nasty girl. You see me I say? So it look like a long time Rosealee stayed away there, nasty. You know what I mean? And if she no change by now, she in her how much years, you know, she not gonna change again. I just eat that. You understand? So people tell me what you think, make watch some more.
That point that media mix up the so, but listen me now, my judge. Listen me now. You are saying that the high is real, but the high is because of the mother as a customer problem.
Yeah, the mother and the customer had an altercation. And that's how she got the black and blue eye. It have nothing to do with Jake, Your Honor.
What a testimony. This is qualified. So then there should be no charges laid against Drakes. This is credible information coming from your court. This is evidence, so no charges can be come amongst Drakes with all of this eye problem. So Rosealee is another culprit on this again.
Your Honor, I was surprised Rosealee came on TikTok and talk about the eye because the customer is not on TikTok. So I was surprised why Rosealee bring it to TikTok because the customer is not on TikTok. So
yeah, because I was saying to my jury is if the mother is the ex-wife by the matey and thump in her eye, why would you care for your mother to get thump in her eye by Jakes? And the last time you bring down your mother said she take her man from you, which is
Your Honor, I don't want to interrupt you about that, but that file is not correct. Rosealee mother did not take Rosealee man. Based off the information provided to the SWAT court, Rosealee mother used to be in Seaview doing business, like they said, 1,500, 2,000. So it wasn't a relationship.
What type of business, madam?
Jakes used to buy from Rosealee mother. She's known.
Buy what, madam?
Fuck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's the information I get.
Prostitution?
Yes, but she do it for Rosealee. You know you got to do stuff to provide for your kids sometime when you don't have it. So you cannot judge the mother. So the mother used to do business with Jakes. It wasn't a relationship. And Rosealee came to Seaview and took Laverne man. So Laverne did not took Rosealee man, Your Honor. So let's get that clear on the file. Could you write?
Yes. Edit the file for me and have that in the court docket. Yes, so we can get it good. Bella, jump on that for me. Edit it.
And Your Honor, it's not the first time Rosealee been accused of doing something like that to Laverne. Have you heard about the uncle, Your Honor?
No.
Oh, Your Honor, there is an uncle in question. I don't know if your chat is familiar with the uncle name. But Drake's uncle was with Rosealee mother at one point.
My Lord! Sorry, carry on.
Yes, Jake's uncle was with Laverne at one point, and then, you know, Rosealee stepped in and took away the uncle from Laverne. So Seaview people is basically saying Rosealee is the reason why Laverne is old and lonely.
My Lord of my God.
So where's the uncle now?
I never prepare for this. And
what is the uncle TikTok page? Maybe you could share the live to the
he's
uncle.
still alive. Oh, I thought the uncle passed away because A few months ago, I heard a story like that, but they said that the uncle passed.
So
No, this is very
I didn't get that file. I don't know if he analyzed or what, but I know there is an uncle. Yes.
Okay, so all right, hold on. So you are saying, okay, all right, for people, if you are just joining us, this is the Diamond Court. We know some of them have a different court name, but we know she name Diamond. We call it Diamond Court. The Swartz Court, but I call it Diamond Court. I like the name, but the Swartz Court. All right, over the Diamond Court, I understand that this credible information regarding the mother, if you just come, I understand that is the mother own customer Tomper and Rosalie sell stories like it a come off of JX. So that's what we are getting right now. Say the thumping eye have nothing to do with the media, or the mother and a customer fall out and them thumping eye, and that's causing the issue. So Diamond Court next door, right around a 4 Omar Road, they have all the information. Let me ask you a question now. How this scamming card go?
Okay, Your Honor. Let me tell you about the card. It's not scamming. It's called card cleaning. So based off what my ex-friend Rosalie tell me, so you know about scamming where you get the elderly in America and other places, and you'll get their card information. So you'll build a page and you will load it up with the card. And then they will come live. When you're live, they will send you the gift. And like if they send you a lion, you know, for example, RT send me a lion, I'll say, RT, thanks for the lion, somebody can't help RT, you know? So you see, that way, which you send in, the card cleaner send in the big gift, it encourage other persons to send organic gifts. And that's how she make her money, by the big scammers, the card cleaners, cleaning the card.
Kind of season, Maggie. Yes, me have all kind of season. Me have hard purpose. Me have chicken purpose. Me have season purpose. Buckler, Jake, me have everything. Just pick, choose. Almighty God, seasoning, pussy cloth. At first, me I know say rice can cook so. All curry me have Jakes. Talk to me, Jakes. Me have all curry. What me fi do? See me have curry.
Sprinkle some curry in it too. Sprinkle some curry.
Pussy clot. One out, Jakes. What blood clot now? Tell me everything, you know.
Put season in the pot. Put season in the pot.
What, chicken season?
Purpose, chicken season, yeah.
Pussy clot. I sauce, you know. I eat my cross big, you know. You know, see some blood clot rose at chest out of a Jakes and he's
not pepper everything.
When he says Jakes, you know, Sister Rose and mad over, you know, Sister Rose and mad over Jakes, and Sister Jakes left it show. What this is going on, Jakes?
Use a fork, yeah, that too.
Cocker pussy clan, all purpose in cocker blood, eh? That's why Rose and mad. What Jakes get them a sauce from? Bumbo blood clot. One out, Jakes, one out, talk to me.
Yeah, there's story now, there's story.
What is that blood clot?
Story.
Clot, almighty God. Jakes, the color change. Bumbo clot, Jakes. No man can't come up, man. Jakes say color. Bumbo clot, the color change.
It has the aroma, don't it? You smell the aroma that I put out. You smell that?
Bumbo clot. What's it? We have this bumbo clot. Yo, come out of me house, because you don't get none of this. Come on. Let's show the door. Come out of my place, bad man. Come out of my place, man.
Me, I tell you, youth.
From my place, man.
You smell that?
Bumbo clot, Jakes. Bumbo, Jakes, all the color change. Pussy clot. Mighty God. Pussy clot, almighty God.
You put butter in there already?
Yeah, man, butter in there already, Jakes, man.
Alright.
And the color change. What if you do taste the basket?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Me never do this yet still, like season up the sardine. Me never do that yet, but me eat it like how this tea already, you know what I mean? Just cook the rice and throw it on it and, you know what I mean, knock it down so. But me never try with it, season it up on them sitting there. Yo, you know, people, me just think, you know, me I say, yo, a GX, I bad chef, you know. So, how it go go you know when GX gone and Rosalie them yard alone a stream all day and all night. Oh, I go GX more rice and them something there. Eh? Cha. Boy, Rosalie, me not think she did think this true. Like, she did think so, boy, she and Akeem did have a ride off into the sunset, my people. But, me don't want to think. It's a hard road for travel still, you know, my people, right now for Rose, you know. Forget a man, you know, a real genuine man. She can't get any man still, you know. Almost still. Because she have her money, right? But the nasty thing with them have about her on the internet, make man a go stay far from her. The dirty ways, the cussing on them something there, man a go stay far from her. But the money we make some man run in, you see me? But she want genuine love. I mean, I feel like she a go want a man just run in and come, you know what I mean? So, let me know what you think, my people.
What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? Cover them now, make it steam now.
Pussy clot. Cover done. Pussy clot, bossy. I need a steam of blood clot. Cover done. Come in, bossy. Bumbo clot. Jakes, no bother thing and left you gonna win. Now left you a blood clot and rice and sitting and cook. No bother left you. You must think you make you fuck up me day. Told me they are hungry for the morning. I wear bucket up.
If anything, myself for your back still, yeah?
I'm tired of them. I'm tired. And a pair ward on the house. Where were they? Want to know where they were they? And we can't stand each other. If a man could stand me with it in the house, and 99% of the time a man there. Yes, Amir? I'm tired of fucking people. Yes, I was in jail. When I go and sick me in a jail. But everything is public. I want to know when they lock me up. And when we go to jail. I'm still at my good job. And tomorrow when I go to work, I'm morning, I go live. Because I know some day I work. The same job. What I have for 17 years. Who can keep a job for 17 years? None of a blood clot idiot guy. Amir, what you doing? I'm not gonna post something there again. Amir! Amir! What did you do? You know, big house. Everything is good over here. No blood clot fake people text my phone either. I don't know what text my blood clot phone on the fake like shit. And people want to chat for years. I can't text my phone. So to no matter come for this. Amir, what you doing? Go throw that away in the garbage. Are you using it to hit your brother? Give it to me. Amir! Edward, are you happy? Edward, what the case there, Amir? Look for it for me. See it right there, so give me it. Because I didn't see it? Give it to me.
Then why didn't you just...
Come back.
I'm not giving it.
See. Wanna stop calling me phone and text me? I'm okay now, guys. I am good. I was just upset and I post what I shouldn't post.
Alright, my people. Some want to tell me what you think in the comments. We're gonna watch some more.
Yeah, sit down farm people blood clot me every freaking day. Me eat them. Me eat them. What am I doing?
He's hurting me. Come here.
But not getting no older. 876 Lawrence, thank you. Yes, you know, go look for my mouth shots. Tell them Chevy. From my band never get locked up yet. I know me I gonna get locked up when my life, alright? Well, life so sad. Or the well one sitting and happen to it. Or the well one sitting and happen to it. The one life sad. But in Jesus' name, nothing is gonna happen. Because a God will serve, not man. Amir.
Yeah?
Where are you?
There's jump with it in my hands.
Miss love company. Amir! Stop! No peace, no in no, and me and the man this and that. Me and the man good like wall. I am good. I'm good. Azir, leave that, Papa. You want dumpling? What? What? Amir, stop. I'll come back home. What? Amir, stop. Come, Papa, come eat some food. What is over there? No, but Amir, get back over here. I'm eating. Yes.
Come around this living room.
I'm eating.
There's a little cockroach. Come over here.
There's no cockroach over there.
Come. Look right there.
That is a ball. I'm not going like blood clot. Roach trying to clean a bomb clot house. Good night. Me tired of blood clot, you know. Me tired of uno. You sick me too much. But it wasn't a roach. Yeah, Papa. What demand? Demand. Post, and I'm very sorry telling the public, but I was just going through a little stuff, nothing major. And but yeah.
Listen to me now. I come bomber clot answer no pussy bomber blood. Listen to me now. Listen to me. Listen to me. No in no chattings. Not tell nobody nothing. Let them talk what them want to talk. Not in no argument and not explain nothing to nobody. Come on for life if you come explain to people, man. No in no chatting with nobody at all.
Let me get locked up.
Listen to chat to nobody about nothing. You don't need to explain to nobody about nothing. You don't need to tell nobody nothing. Make them move them bomber ass clot.
Leah, go wake up.
Sorry, Azir.
Go wash your face and come back.
Me just wake up at near 3 o'clock at time. You know me soon get up for girl, you know say you live your best life. What you worry about? You know say you have 2 bills. And them I watch you, you know. I watch them. I watch you.
Listen to me, Leah. I'm not explaining. I'm not trying to explain myself, but it's hurt me to see people drawing false allegation against me where they say I'm locked up. But was
Yanique, send some people some liar letter. Now you're not chatting with nobody. Because everybody see you every day and will say, you're not lock up. You will always see you every day and will say you're not lock up. Send some people some, I understand, Chevy. I understand. But when I'm drag her through the mud, she don't need to explain herself because she living her best life. Don't come here so come tell nobody nothing.
Yeah, sometimes you have to talk, sometimes too.
I understand that, but you don't have to tell them nothing. Just look for who attack and send them liar letter.
Alright, my people, leave your comments in the comment section. But you have to just hold the thing, Yanique, you know, the real dog a star, a big girl want him. And I had the lucky one for the dog choose, you know what I mean? So, you know, say bun is a must. You see me I say? And you know, say the dog rate her. You see me, my people? So, me know what you think in the comments. So that me always say, you know, a woman nothing make sake a bun, she left for a good man, you know. Because she can run up in our next man to give her a bun. You see me, maybe even worse than all that the man they used to give her. So you have to know, say yo, don't leave a man because of bun.
I'm here, leave him.
Because all them do is if you come and explain something, they're gonna drag you down same way.
My name is Anna. My name is Bonnie.
Them only want something to drag you down. You know, nobody no explanation about nothing. All I will see and know say you're there, so you're not get no lock up or you no teeth. Teeth for what?
I'm here.
Oh, me soon circle you.
Mama, do you mean circle your pan?
Guys, I hate social media.
Dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur.
Yes,
I'm a dinosaur. Mom, this is all the things I was playing.
Something Italiano. And this one, guys. So I have the picture frames in the closet. I'm gonna put them in. Yeah.
What was this place you were at with a team?
At the baby shower. I did a baby shower.
And I was at there too? And what were you feeling in the blue thing?
I said me and my man check, but we're like we dead and me put dead, and anybody see me gonna shoot me. I'm keeping a threat to myself because God, I'm covered by the Almighty. Okay, so I cannot touch me.
Yo, Mom, I dropped out of the sky. Mommy, how am I like this?
Like what?
Like this, and my body so big.
I don't know.
Because.
And the baby, what the funny we are? Oh wait, who's the baby mother? Can you reveal her now? The side chick. After a couple months now, me I used to baby the funny we are. We can't have with buses that are coming up here. Stay.